Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to work with Google Sheets on your iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Google Sheets by Google Sheet application. Make sure you already installed it on your phone, and after that you can start to choose which documents that you want to work together with. So for example, I want to do this documents here. Let's see, we already have the data here, and we can allow our coworkers to working on these documents too, either even though like they don't have this file. So how to make it so that you can do or work for this document together? We just need to click this human symbol, I could say, and I just need to click it, and please go into these three small dots, and after that go into the manage access, and after that you can see here the general access here is restricted. You need to change it from restricted into anyone with the link, so people or your friends that have the link can view or edit this documents. Depends on the setting that you set. So here is written that it's anyone with the link can view the documents. If you want that your friends able to edit this too, you just need to click editor, so your friend will be able to access these documents and they can work over these documents with you. And although you make sure everything is right, you just need to click this link symbol here, and the link will be copied into your clipboard, and you just need to share the link into your friends. Or there will be another way, which is add people or groups. You can add the email of your friends here, so that you just need to share it automatically by say let's say, okay, let's send into this, and you just make sure that they can edit your documents too, and then after that you can put several message to her and click send. And that's how the way you work in Google Sheets. So if you find out this video is really useful for you, don't ever forget to subscribe into this channel.